All right, so I'm gonna be making low carb zucchini lasagna. So we're gonna start off with the ground beef. We're gonna just go right on the pan. We're gonna brown it out. All right, and once it's all brown, just let it simmer so that way you can get the next ingredient set up. So next we're gonna put in the low carb tomato sauce. So I'm just gonna dump it in there. All right, and again, we're gonna let that simmer. All right, so now we're gonna make the ricotta cheese. All right, we're gonna put this aside. All right, next we wanna make the zucchini look like this. So the first thing we wanna do is we wanna spray this pan. Next, we are going to layer it up with the zucchini. All right, next we're gonna put the sauce, AKA the ground beef, in there. We're gonna use half of the mix. All right, we're gonna put another layer on top of the ground beef. All right, next we're gonna put the cheese mix in. And then we're gonna put one more layer of zucchini. Next, we're gonna be putting the ground beef on here. And last, we'll put the cheese on there. Finally, we just wanna cover it with some tin foil. Make sure the oven is set to 375. We're just gonna put it in there for 30 minutes. Taking the foil off, we're gonna put it back in there for 15 more minutes. All right, moment of truth. Wow, I'm actually blown away.